Hello my dear students and friends, good morning. Today real numbers 10th class, 10th mathematics, 10th maths, real numbers 1.2. In 1.2, first question, prove that root 5 is irrational. You see, root 5 is irrational. Root 5, root 2, root 3, root 7, root 4, all these are all irrational numbers. But we have to prove as root 5 is a irrational. How do we prove? Suppose you are a boy. Suppose anybody comes and asks you, prove you are a boy. How can we prove? Yes, I have a craft, so I am a boy. I have a shirt, I am a boy. I have a trousers, I am a boy. Like that you prove. That means contrary. If I am a lady, if I am a girl, I do not have craft. If I am a lady, I do not have shirt. If I am lady, I do not have trousers. Yes, like that contrary we assume and prove these qualities not there in me, so I am a boy. Like that contrary means opposite. Opposites wise we assume those qualities we do not have, so I am a boy. Like that we prove. Same is the case here also. Root 5 is the irrational. Suppose left. So what we have to assume? If it is irrational. If it is not irrational, it must be a rational number. Yes, if it is a rational number, all qualities of the rational number, whether it has or not, let us prove. That is the proving contrary, isn't it? Yes. Let us prove root 5 is a rational number. Yes, if it is a root 5 is the rational number. If it is the rational number, if it is the rational number, you see, we know if all rational numbers, how are all rational numbers are in the p by q, when q does not is equal to 0, p by q does not is equal to 0, p by q means whatever may be, a by b, b does not is equal to 0, or c by d where d does not equal to 0, isn't it? That means numerator and denominator should not be equal to 0, that is. And what more? And p and q are integers and co-primes, like that we say. P and q are c and d are a and b, co-primes. Another word is there, co-primes. Suppose a by b, b does not equal to 0, a and b are integers. Integers plus values and minus values. 0 should not equal to 0. b does not equal to 0. b means denominator should not equal to 0. Next, a, b are integers. Integers, positive numbers and negative numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, so on. Those are the integers, isn't it? A, b are integers. A, b belongs to the integers, whether it is positive number or negative number. Next, and co-primes. Yes, it is also to be explained. Co-primes means, what are co-primes? In the numerator and denominator, no common table goes. For the numerator and the denominator, no common factor is there. Then those are co-primes. Yes, 24 by 36. It is also same, because what is when co-primes, when the fraction is shown in the simplest form. Let us see how many goes. 12 goes, 2 goes 12 times, and here 2 goes 18 times, again 3 goes 4 times, again 3 goes 6 times, again 2 goes 2 times, again 2 goes 3 times. Yes, 2 by 3. Simplest form is that 2 by 3 are co-primes. In the 2 and 3, no common factor is there. No common table is there. So, every fraction can be written as a co-primes. That means every simplest fraction, the numerator and denominator co-primes. That means in the numerator and denominator no common table goes. No common factor is there. That is, if it is the rational number, it must be in the form of a by b, a by b. B does not equal to 0. You write a by b or b by or c by d or p by q, whatever may be you write, but denominator should not equal to 0. That is, and what more? A, B are integers and co-primes. Co-primes already I told you. What are co-primes? A, B are integers and co-primes. Like that, if it is a rational number, this must be like this. Therefore, root 5 is equal to A by B. Root 5 is equal to A by B. That means root 5 must be in the A by B form. Isn't it? Root 5 must be in the A by B form. Yes, let us do. Here I am writing, you write as a next step. Yes, root 5 is equal to A by B. Let us square both sides. Whatever you do, both sides of the equation, the equality won't be inequality. Yes, let us see. 5 square is equal to A square by B square. A square by B square. Isn't it? 5 square is equal to, root 5 square. Root 5 square is equal to A square by B square. Root 5 square means, you see, root 5 into root 5, how much? Under root both are. Root 5 into 5 is equal to 25. That is equal to 5 square. Square and root will be cancelled. Whatever remained, 5 is the remainder. Is it? Yes. Root 5 and root 5 whole square means 5 is equal to A square by B square. Let us, what is cross multiplied? Cross multiplied means, yes, 5b square is equal to A square. Cross multiplied. You see, for everyone, if you do something, that something is to be written in words. Otherwise, the examiner may think, or master may think, as we have copied. Isn't it? That notion should not be created in the examiner, in the minds of the examiner. Isn't it? Yes, 5 is equal to A square by B square. That is equal to cross multiplied. 5 into B square, 5B square. That is equal to A square. Yes, it is. I am writing here. You write step under step. Isn't it? Now, 5b square is equal to A square. That means 5 divides, see, 5 divides A square. 5 by B square is equal to A square by 5. That means 5 divides A square. 5 divides A square. Isn't it? 5 divides A square. 5 divides A square. 5 divides A square. So 5 divides A also. A also. You see, in the textbook it is the one rule, one theorem. If p square divides, suppose 1, p divides that also. If p square divides something, p divides also that. Yes, here 5 divides A square. So 5 divides A also. It is one thing, it is important. Here 1, it is 1, 1. It is another one. Yes. One is what? 5b square is equal to A square. And second one is equal to 5 divides A also. A also. Why? Because 5 divides A square. So 5 divides A also. It is very important. Isn't it? Yes. Let us see. 5 divides A. 5 divides A. Isn't it? Or 5 divides A. Like this also we can write. No, there is no problem. Isn't it? Yes. A divides, 5 divides A. Let us take some integer that is C. Let us take some integer C. Then for that integer, you see, A is equal to 5. Let us multiply with C. You see, with whatever you multiply, suppose 5 divides A also. That is very important, isn't it? Here also what is, suppose here also some integer B square. 5 divides A square means 5 divides A also. Here also, now some integer we have taken. What is the problem? No problem. Now, is equal to A square is equal to 5C square. Yes, square both sides. Square both sides. You write there. Square both sides. Yes, here A is equal to 5. There is no need to show that into 5C means 5 into C. A is equal to 5C. That means 5 divides A. 5 divides A. Let us square both sides. Both A square is equal to 5C square. Isn't it? Let us write here. A square is equal to 5C. 5C square means 5 square is 5 square. C square, that is equal to A square is equal to 25 C square. You see, 5C square means it is whole square. Square for the both 5 and C. 5 square and C square. 5 square and C square. You see, A square divides A square is equal to 25 C square. Let us write 3. You see, and 1, where is 1? 1, it is 2, it is 3. A square is equal to 25 C square. But A square is equal to 5B square. Write down from 1 and 3. It is 3 enough. Yes, 3 from 1 and 3. What is A square is equal to, what is A square is equal to 1? Where is 1? Let us see. A square is equal to, what is, where is 1? 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It is 1. It is 1. A square is equal to 5B square. A square is equal to 5B square. But here A square is equal to for 25C square. You see, from 1 and 3, A square is equal to B square. A square is equal to 25C square. You see, A square is equal to 5B square and 3. A square is equal to 25C square. Let us write in here. Therefore, A square is equal to, you see, A square is equal to B square. A square is equal to 25B square. A square is equal to, A square is equal to, what is here? Sorry, A square is equal to 5B square. Not that is we have mistaken 5B square. Yes, A square is equal to 5B square. A square is equal to 25B square. Isn't it? Now, A square in place of both are one and the same. These are one and the same means these are also one and the same. Suppose 3 is equal to 2 plus 1 and 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Suppose that means is equal to, these two are equal means these two are also equal. Yes. So let us write 5 b square, 5 b square is equal to 25 c square. You see, here we have to see 5b square is equal to 25 c square. Here, let us take off in both 5. Therefore, b square is equal to 5 c square. 5 c square. It is 4. Yes. It is 4. Yes, it is 3. It is 4. Yes, 5b square is equal to 25 c square. Suppose let us calculate. For b square is equal to how much 5 in this? 5 times goes. B square is equal to 5 c square. Therefore, 5 divides b square means 5 divides b also. 5 divides b also. Here 5 divides e also, and let us say it is 5. 5 divides e also, 5 divides b also. Therefore 5 divides 5 divides a and b. 5 divides a and b. That is 5 divides a and b. That means wipe off it, I rub off it, isn't it? Yes. So, yes, this is 5 divides AB also. That means AB are what? 5 divides 5 divides AB, A and B. That means A and B means 5 is the factor to the A and B. 5 is the factor to the A and B. Therefore, 5 is factor to the A and B. 5 is the factor to be A and B. But then next step by step you write. But A, B are co-primes. But AB are co-primes. AB are co-primes means AB do not have any common factor. AB do not have any common factor. But here 5 divides A and B also. 5 divides both the numerator and denominator. But here what we assume 5 A and B are co-primes. That means for the numerator and denominator no common factor is there. So what happened? Our assumption is wrong. And what are co-primes? What are A, B are integers. Integers of here not. A, B are integers. Co-primes. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. That means our thought is wrong. What we thought root 5 is equal to A by B. Yes, we did the problem. We dragged on the problem thinking root 5 is a rational number. Rational number A by B. It must be in the form of A by B. A by B are the what are co-primes. That means it should not have any common factor. But when we reached but 5 is the common factor to the A by B. So what we thought, what we assumed, wow, it is the contradictory to the fact. It is contradictory to the fact. It is opposite to the fact. What is the fact? A by B are co-primes. That is the fact. Isn't it? Our assumption is wrong. It is contradictory to the fact. What is the fact? Fact means A by B are the co-primes. That is the fact. So root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is the irrational number. That is root 5 is the irrational number. Like that we have to prove. How do we have to prove? He asked root 5 is the irrational. That is itself is the irrational. How do we prove? Contrary we assumed. Contrary we thought. What root 5 is the rational? If it is the rational, it must be in the form of a by b. A by b are the co-primes. Isn't it? That is the rule. A by b are the co-primes. We did the problem. But at the end, what happened? A by b. A and b divides by 5. 5 divides a and b. That means 5 is the common factor. So, what we thought is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. It is contradictory to the fact. What is the fact? A, b are co-primes. But here, not co-primes because common factor is there. Yes, thank you very much. Please like and share.